Hello and welcome to Easy Language Podcast. My name is Lena. In this episode, you will learn simple English sentences about wasting time. Listen carefully and repeat after me. I waste a lot of time on my phone. I waste a lot of time on my phone. I check social media too often. I check social media too often. I watch videos for many hours. I watch videos for many hours. I plan to study, but I don't start. I plan to study, but I don't start. I say I will work later. I say I will work later. I feel tired, but I do nothing. I feel tired, but I do nothing. I lose focus very easily. I lose focus very easily. I spend too much time scrolling. I spend too much time scrolling. Time passes very fast. All time passes very fast. I regret wasting my time. I regret wasting my time. I want to use my time better. I want to use my time better. I need to change my habits. I need to change my habits. I start my day without a plan. I start my day without a plan. I feel stressed because of time. I feel stressed because of time. I want to be more productive. I want to be more productive. Small steps can save time. Small steps can save time. I try to focus on one task. I try to focus on one task. I stop wasting time little by little. I stop wasting time little by little. Every minute is important. Every minute is important. I choose to use my time wisely. I choose to use my time wisely. Great job! Practice these sentences every day. This is Easy Language Podcast. See you in the next episode.